Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Motorola Moto E15 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we can take a look at this option bar, and on the second position from the left we've got the timer, so this is this crossed out icon. Let's tap on it, and in this device we've got two options, so 10 seconds and 3 seconds delay, and of course the off option. So simply tap on the option like to use. I'll choose 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it was highlighted and the icon changed slightly. So now we can tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, you can of course turn off this option. Just tap on the timer and tap on this crossed out icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.